Hey, what's going on, people? This is Gary again. I was listening to like a bunch of my ringtones, and I make my own ringtones, and sometimes I listen to some and sometimes I record them, something that's kind of illegal to do to some people, some companies, but I'm able to do whatever I want. So here's some that I did. One I just did recently was just nature. I just wanted to record nature. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna skim through and have you watch what's playing as soon as it's being played.
I wet my diaper, do 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 do. I wet my diaper, do 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 do. I wet my diaper, do 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 do. I wet my diaper. Do change me. I sit in the phone all day long. I talk on the phone all day long. I talk on the phone all day. I sit and talk on the phone all day long, all day long, all day. Important calls, hold on, I got an important call. Sit in the phone all day long. I talk on the phone all day long. I sit in the crap. Up the road, up the street, crap, just crap. Up the hallway, everywhere else, crap. G7 has swag, G7 has swag, G7 swag, G7 swag. Every time you make a song, it sound like other songs. I don't really know what type of song this is. I don't really know what type of song this is. Please leave a message.
How do I do that phone? Oh, I ain't seen it.
I'm trying to make it soon. I'm trying to make it soon. My teeth yellow like a boss.
No, that was me.
My teeth yellow like a boss. My teeth yellow like a boss. My teeth yellow like a boss.
Well, there was some of them. Some of my ringtones that I got on my phone. Yeah.